red bird, but with the yellow-nosed cardinals. Yeah, you already know we act like we've been here before. Oh wait, 5 of the last 9. Blues won their first cup back in June. Now it's October and the new season of hockey starts, but you know we're still playing ball. So you're a big city thinking that we're itty bitty, like we even need your pity just because we're nitty gritty. But do pray tell, if your team is NL and it's not the Cardinals, then I guess it's oh well. We're the bad guys. Duh. We're the bad guys. I like it when we take control, even when down 2 games to 0. Cardinals, comeback is in our soul. Do what we need to do. Writers think that we don't belong, bet they won't listen to the song if they checked Wikipedia. Maybe they changed their tune. So you're a big city thinking that we're itty bitty, like we even need your pity just because we're nitty gritty. But do pray tell, if your team is NL and most of the AL, then I guess it's oh well. We're the bad guys. Duh. We're the bad guys. Duh. We're only good at being bad. Bad. I like when you get mad. I guess I'm pretty glad to call this home. You say your team's better than ours? I mean, I don't see what you see, but maybe it's 'cause the 11 rings we own. We're the bad guys. We're the bad guys.